an action that was going on in past. For example, I was completing my homework. Let me introduce my sibling past perfect.
I am past perfect. I talk about an action that is completed before another action in past. For example, I have completed my homework before I went to bed. Let me introduce my another sibling past perfect continuous tense.
I am past perfect continuous tense. I talk about an action that was ongoing in past. For example, I have been completing my homework. Past family. I am in present. I rule over the entire present. Let me introduce my four children. My first child is simple present. I am simple present. Everybody knows me very well. I help people when they talk about yoga nuts, these nuts, routine facts, and universal truth. For example, I complete my homework on time. Hey, don't be get confused between me and my sister. Present continuous tense. Yes, I am present continuous tense. I help you in many ways, especially when the action is going on in front of your eyes. For example, I am doing my homework now. Let me introduce my elder sibling, present perfect tense. I am present perfect tense. I talk about an action which is completed. For example, I have completed my homework. Meet my other sibling, present perfect continuous. Yes, I am present perfect continuous tense. I talk about the action which has started in the past, present, past in the and going on in future. For example, I have been doing my homework for 2 hours. This is my present family. I am this future. I am the youngest one now. I do entire future. Now let me introduce my family. I have 4 lovely children. My first child is simple future. I am simple future and help you all about an action which is yet to take place in the future. For example, I will do my homework. Meet my another sibling. Future continuous tense. I am future continuous tense. I talk about an action which is going in the future. For example, I will be doing my homework at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Meet my another sibling who is future perfect.
I am future perfect that we have completed in future. For example, I will have completed my homework by 8 p.m. Let me introduce my another sibling, future perfect continuous tense.
I am future perfect continuous tense. Don't hardly know me. I will show you something. This is a continue upon a time even in future. For example, I will have been doing my homework for 2 hours by 8 p.m. This is my future family.
Clap, clap, everyone. Learning tenses one by one. Past, present, future too. All the tenses just for you. I play chess. I play chess. I will play chess. Oh yes. I play chess. I play chess. Tomorrow I will play chess. Clap, clap, everyone. Learning tenses one by one. Past, present, future too. All the tenses just for you.
I am playing chess. I was playing chess. I will be playing chess. I am playing chess. I was playing chess. Tomorrow I will be playing chess.
Clap, clap, everyone. Learning tenses one by one. Past, present, future too.
have played chess. I had played chess. I will have played chess. I have played chess. I had played chess. By evening I will have played chess.
Clap, clap, everyone. Learning tenses one by one. Past, present, future too. All the tenses just for you. I have been playing chess. I had been playing chess. I will have been playing chess. I have been playing chess. I had been playing chess. By night I will have been playing chess. Clap, clap, everyone. Learning tenses one by one. Past, present, future too. All the tenses just for you. Clap, clap, everyone. Learning tenses one by one. Past, present, future too. All the tenses just for you. Clap, clap, everyone.